kind of do a little comparison with that. It's a 4-wheel drive, awesome machine. And it isn't a restoration paint job, but really similar machine. There's another 7020. This is going to make somebody a real nice Well, wanted to do a quick video here of the 20 series. Not a ton of Keefe Ingersoll 20 series loaders out there, and we've got 3 right here in front of us, but we've actually got I think 3 more on the property. So the 20 series was built after the 6018, and there might have been some crossover. I don't know for sure. There's not a lot of good records, unfortunately, with Ingersoll as far as production after the year 2000. But one reason for this video is I wanted to show the difference a little bit between the 6020 and the 7020. And also we've got a pretty rare spec'd out 6020 here, and wanted to kind of do a little comparison with that. And well, we got everything here in one shot, and the weather's still decent, so just a quick overview. All right, so the 7020, we did a video on these, and if you want more information, you definitely check this out. These are 4-wheel drive, awesome machines, incredible machines. We put this broom on here, and we'll have a video with this thing in action, doing some leaf and cleanup pretty soon. We put a wheel kit on it and putting together some other things, and it might be something we offer down the road if we can make it affordable, but it's handy as hell. The 7020's got a hydraulic driven front differential, so the drive into it is hydraulic, but it's a differential and a clutch in the front, so it's part-time. You could turn it on and off. And here's probably a little more common 6020 spec'd out with the Honda engine. This is our own machine. We're going to clean this up, restore it, and put it on a rental fleet. It's a fast loader. It's geared fast. It's nice for loading and gets around, moves pretty quick. Probably faster than just about any other loader we've got here, I think. Factory 3-point hitch, heavy duty, category 0, factory PTO valve. We put new front and back rubber on her, and we're actually gonna do something a little different with it pretty soon, but we'll leave that for a surprise later. But 20 horsepower Honda in it. Great little machine. This took the place, basically, like I was saying, the 6018, as well as 648, which took the place of the 646. Power steering machine. There's definitely some upgrades and changes with this over the 648. I love the 648, probably my favorite loader model, or one of them. But these had the engine spun around, a little different pump, tandem pump on it. The filtering setup was a little easier on it, and I think there's some more reinforcement on the frames and fender skirts. And keep an eye on our website, because we're coming out with fender skirts for all loader models, narrow, wide, backhoe, 6-7000 series, as well as the 600 custom fender. These extensions here protect your feet, keep them clean as well. So keep an eye on our website, KeefeIngersollTractors.com, for that. This has got the Piranha tooth bucket on it. Nice addition. And then now we'll go over to this 6020. So like I said, that machine's spec'd out a lot like the 6018s were. And a pretty well direct replacement for a 6018 spec machine, except a little bigger engine and different gearing, faster machine. This is a factory spec float kit 6020. This one's got more in common with this 7020 than it does the 6018. So this 6020 has got a Kohler Command 20 horsepower in it. As you can see, it's got the wide flotation kit tires, so it'll be the same tires, fender, rear end setup as the 7020 here. Wide fender extensions, wide footrests, 29, 12, 15 tires, and it's got the extended axle, heavy duty webbed rear end in there, as the 7020 has. You get to see how fat and wide she is from the back. This was on a nursery or turf farm, that's why it was spec'd like this. Somebody put a winch in a aftermarket quick attach, but not a big fan of this quick attach on here. It sticks out too far and it takes away from your capacity. But this is a beautiful, clean machine, kept inside, very low hour, very tight, well taken care of machine. And it's here to get some service work done, some upgrades, new tire setup, wheel bearings, hydraulic lines, and some other stuff. A quick overview, if you want to know more about these beasts, we have a full video on the 7020. This one here is our personal machine, set up with the heavy duty 3-point hitch, PTO valve, all new front tires and back tires on her. This has got the factory quick attach. This came out of the factory as a quick attach machine. It's got the front hydraulics to power the broom, as well as front hydraulics to angle the broom or whatever you got on it. We don't have those hooked up right now, but they're there. This is set up with the later drive, as is this 6020 over here. Your later set up for your range selector, as well as the switches, so you have to be in idle in order to switch in high and low range or 4-wheel drive. Where this 6020 is set up with the earlier style that most of you are familiar with. I just wanted to show you the speed and the difference between the two 6020s. I'm not sure if you'll be able to tell, but we'll give her a whirl. We're in high range right now on the wide 6020 with the Kohler. With the Honda in it, and hopefully you can see how much faster this is. We're in high range. So we'll walk over here and show you a jack. Jack's going to be for sale pretty quick. So Jack was all black, if you remember in our video of our 7020s, and I just couldn't hack the paint job on it. It wasn't really that nice, so we cleaned it up a little bit. This isn't a restoration paint job, but it was sanded and primed and whatnot, and done well. So funny story with the black and orange, that's why we call them Jack for Halloween. The orange it came out beautiful, and then the dew set in and took the gloss right out of it the next morning. And instead of sanding it down and reshooting it, I decided to put clear on it. And I was just in the mood, and I decided to put some black and some orange metal flake in it. And I don't know if it's going to show up or not on the video, probably not. But it's got metallic in it. It makes it look a little rough on the camera, but it's got black and orange metallic. So this is a nice machine. It's going to be for sale pretty soon. Keep an eye on our website for it to come up. 3-point hitch, PTO equipped. Loaded rear tires. Front and back tires are in good shape. New banana plate before we sell it. We're going to replace a couple lines, but good machine, runs good. So I'll just give you guys a little peek of him. I'm digging the black on it, the black and orange. I think it looks good. I didn't want to screw around with the black on the arms. They're already painted black, so we just reshot them black. But it works with it. And then you'll just take a quick look. You'll see a 6818 backhoe here. Very similar machine to the 6020s we were showing you. Excuse the mess. We're just super busy right now and things are all over the place, but here's another 7020 that's in a rental fleet. Grapple bucket, sweet machine. And we just got this one owner 6018 in. This is gonna make somebody a real nice machine. Unfortunately, it was stored outside under a porch, but one owner, low hours. We'll probably have to put some paint on it and clean it up a little bit, but it's less than 500 hours on it. And then again, just to show you comparison, the 7020's 6018 here. This is an early one, all yellow, all case power tan. And this one's gonna be for sale soon. Another nice machine. We did some work to it. So just to give you a comparison and see how similar the 6020s are to the 6018s, minus the power plant, especially the narrow tired ones. Again, excuse the mess. We got a 648 here that's going to be for sale soon. We did not repaint this, somebody else did, but it's a clean, presentable machine. We fully serviced it, gone through it. New banana plate, some other stuff. And old classic 646 over there in decent shape as well. That we're going to have for sale soon too. We ship across America and Canada 6 days a week. We have a large parts inventory. We do full service, sales, restorations. Oh, don't worry, we're gonna have some more how-to videos. We've just been so busy, just making any kind of videos has been very tough. But we're gonna try to do some more and do a monthly video of new parts and products we're offering. We do have a new parts and products page on our website. Always be sure to check back because we're adding stuff weekly to that. Custom parts, upgraded parts, all kinds of stuff. So again, to learn more about the broom, be sure to subscribe. We're gonna have a video of that in action pretty quick. Wanted to thank our viewer Dustin from Michigan for suggesting this video. We're going to do a more in-depth video comparison between the 6020 and the 7020 as far as capabilities and in action. But while we had the wide float 6020, which is really rare, the only one I've ever seen, we figured it was a good time to do this video here. Always look for video suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. For all your Case Ingersoll needs, be sure to go to CaseIngersollTractors.com for your Briggs & Stratton Kohler and Onan needs as well. Tons of information there, parts as well. Always happy to help.